Hi guys, I'm Robin and I'm founder and co-CEO at OWOW.
Hi, I'm Pieter. I'm founder and co-CEO of OWOW. What the fuck is OWOW? What the fuck is OWOW all about?
OWOW is a digital product studio based in Eindhoven in the Brainport region. And we have been working for the last 12.5 years on digital products. We build web platforms, mobile apps, very large web shops and websites. Earlier this year, we've set a new strategy and a new mission to touch the lives of 1 billion people by the year 2035. And how we're going to reach that goal is by using very smart technology, such as folk. I like
You say folk a lot.
Yeah.
Are you a folk?
I'm a folker.
We have to be honest, we like beautiful products. We create beautiful products, so just having to use a shitty tool with a shitty look and feel is hard for us. It almost hurts our brain. When we looked at all the CRMs out there, I think folk stood out.
The difference with folk and our previous CRM is that it's much more easy to use. Looks like we could have designed it ourselves, and it saves us a lot of time. The one thing that we offer is customized software. So our proposals, our decks, they need to look and feel custom as well.
Yeah, so on one side we have the goal of to touch 1 billion lives, so we need to do everything at scale. Doing personalized stuff at scale is hard. We had to find a way how to automate it. So in our vision of tools, I think a CRM, a future-proof CRM should operate and do tasks on the background. So us recording a call, that recorded call gets sent to folk, the right person in the growth team gets a notification on Slack to create a proposal, and that proposal then gets sent to the client. I never had to go to folk actually to do something. So all actions are automating, and I think that's the power of a CRM. I'll go to folk to get my insights, to look at my boards, to look at how my pipeline is doing, but I don't have to go to folk to tell it stuff to do. That's the beauty of it.
That's the answer. Nice, cut. We're done. Pooh.